Hello everyone, I'm Riley, and welcome to Consumer Reports, rates top budget-friendly smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. 3 out of 5 fire deaths occur in homes without working smoke alarms or without any alarms at all. Simon Glensek and his family were fortunate to escape their home after a dryer caught fire. Smoke like white smoke billowing out of the dryer area. It just went too fast. It boggles my mind at how fast it goes, Glensek said. To help protect your family, Consumer Reports found the best budget-friendly smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Today's house fires burn faster and hotter and are the deadliest than ever. One reason is the open floor plans in newer homes, which have fewer walls and doors, allowing fires to spread quickly. Early fire warnings can be crucial, and the National Fire Protection Association recommends installing an alarm on every floor and testing them monthly and replacing them every 10 years. Consumer Reports is offering free smoke detector ratings and no membership is required. The dual sensor smoke detector from Simple Safe earned top scores for detecting both flames and smoldering fires. It's battery operated, so you won't need a professional to install it, and it can be interconnected, so if one alarm goes off, the others will too. A battery-powered smoke detector from Kidde is another top choice for detecting both flames and smoldering fires. The stairwell smoke detectors from Walmart is another good option, featuring a 10-year battery life. You can access Consumer Reports' free smoke and carbon monoxide alarm ratings on our Facebook page, and we will share that link with you. And that does it for this edition of Consumer Reports. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Goodbye.